Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. After that, you need to scroll down again, click on Screen Refresh Rate, and tap on the best option for you in order to apply it: Dynamic, High or Standard. I will go with Standard, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my Huawei has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!